Hi guys, how you all doing today? Well, I'm in the garden checking things out, see how things looking. Come and look at the little ones, not really the big ones, although the big ones doing pretty fine. I'm basically looking at the small ones, see how they're coming along within the weather. A couple days ago I softened up the roots, so I know they're in good shape, but still you always got to come and look at your plant. You got to make sure no dirt roll over and cover them. You got to make sure no leaf fall on them, because they're small, they need care just like a baby. So you just can't plant your garden and just leave it and believe that it's gonna just grow up like that. That's not how it works. These are my onion. Listen, me totally feeling so good. I don't know if you see how the sun is bright, how outside is bright, but I'm feeling like it's summer right at this time. And I know because of that, them plants gonna love it. Why they gonna love it? Because you know, regardless to what, even though they could stand the winter, they still, with the sun added, gonna make them grow even better. So I don't know if you're seeing down in here, but I just come to take a look at them this morning just to see how they're going. Them kale and them start shooting up. I don't know if you guys seeing, but everything start growing up. Remember when I plant them, they was so deep down in the earth. Now everything is naturally, start showing up. So this is good signs that the plants them is doing good. And the sun is shining, make it even better for them. So I'm very excited. Plants looking good, and today is a beautiful sunny day for the plants. So I know if we continue to get sun like this for the next 2 to 3 weeks, because spring is close, even though it ain't hot every day like this, even though it just sunny for a few days, the plant's gonna love it. So this is just a walk around today, guys, just giving you a little update about my little plants them. And you're gonna see a lot more soon to come, but right now it's just certain things you could plant, and that's what I'm doing, planting certain things. So when the spring begin, after the first defrost, you can just start let go planting your tomato, your cabbage, your sweet pepper, all them kind of stuff. So right now, today's just an update, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.